What if you could stop searching through documents? No more opening 10 PDFs, no more guessing where that information is hidden. You're just asking a question and get the answer instantly. That's exactly what SharePoint agents can do. What exactly are SharePoint agents? SharePoint agents are AI-powered assistants built on Microsoft Copilot. They can understand and retrieve data from your SharePoint environment, especially from documents. They allow you to interact with the data using natural language instead of searching through documents. That makes them incredibly powerful for document-centric processes. Important to know, every end user who wants to use the SharePoint agents needs a Copilot license. This is enough theory for today. In this video, I'd like to focus on the value that SharePoint agents add to your SharePoint solutions. If you want to learn more about the configuration and technical options, watch Matthias' deep dive video after this one. The link to the video is in the description below. Okay, let's have a look at a real-world example. I chose the skybow Contract Manager, which is, by the way, also available as a ready-to-use download on our website. Contract management is the perfect example of a document-heavy process. You have contracts, license agreements, NDAs, and so on, all full of important information. Without AI, what do users typically do? They open these documents one by one, search manually, scroll endlessly, and still might miss the exact information they're looking for. This is slow, frustrating, and kills productivity. Now let's look at the same scenario with SharePoint agents. Instead of manually searching, I simply ask for the information I need to know. Within seconds, the agent gives me the answer extracted from the documents. That's a massive shift in how we work with information. I'm starting with a very typical situation. I want to create a new contract, so I open the new form in the Contract Manager and start filling it out. Now I run into a common challenge. I'm not entirely sure which contract type I should use. In the past, I would probably search through documents, ask a colleague, or just guess and hope it's correct. But now, instead of leaving the process completely, I go to the Contract Manager homepage where the SharePoint agent with a contractual framework is available. I open the agent there and ask which contract type I should use if I want to protect confidential information. The agent suggests using an NDA. Now I have clarity, so I go back to my form and continue. But I want to make sure I don't miss anything important, so I open the agent again and ask a follow-up question. What are the topics to be covered in the NDA? The agent gives me a structured overview of the key aspects I should include. I can feed this information back into Copilot and have it generate the NDA automatically. So instead of uncertainty and interruptions, I get precise guidance exactly when I need it. Now let's move to the next scenario. A common task is to check which contracts are about to expire. Normally, I'd filter list, check dates, maybe export data. But instead, I open the SharePoint agent directly on the page. I ask which contracts are due to expire in the next 3 months, and immediately I get a clear answer with the relevant contracts. No filtering, no manual effort, no risk of missing something. Just one question and I have full visibility. Now let's move to another common scenario. I'm working with an existing contract and want to quickly understand the key details. Instead of navigating through documents or searching manually, I simply open the agent. Now I ask which active contracts do we have with Health First. The agent lists all relevant active contracts with that company. But I want to go one step further. So I ask a follow-up. What are the key terms of the contract with health first? And again, I get a summary directly extracted from the contract documents. No opening files, no scrolling, no searching. Instead of jumping between documents, I jump between questions. That's the real power. You might be wondering, what does that exactly have to do with skybow? It's an out-of-the-box SharePoint feature. That's true. But skybow offers additional benefits when it comes to using SharePoint agents, especially for SharePoint solution builders. In Skybow Studio, you can package SharePoint agents together with your Skybow solutions. You configure a SharePoint agent once and deploy it together with your solution to any SharePoint tenant you want to. That ensures consistency and makes rollouts a lot easier. You will see this feature in the deep dive video of Matthias too. Last but not least, I'd like to talk about the strengths and weaknesses of SharePoint agents. They are imperfect, just as no AI is at the moment. But used correctly, they can be a real help. To make the most of them, you need to know what they can and cannot do. They can summarize and extract information from documents, answer natural language questions, speed up information retrieval, and improve productivity. But their limitations are that they depend on the quality and structure of your documents. The answers are imperfect and output needs to be validated. They need a Copilot license. To summarize, used correctly, SharePoint agents can turn documents into accessible information in your SharePoint solutions. They are perfect for document-centric processes like contract management. If you would like to have a deep dive on that topic, click on the linked video. Matthias will explain how to configure SharePoint agents and how to integrate them into your SharePoint solutions. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to learn more about how to build smart SharePoint solutions.